A truly architectural masterpiece has just hit the market in Nashville, Tennessee.
Welcome to 6315 East Valley Road in the prestigious Bellmead community.
This craftsman residential masterpiece was inspired by the affluent community in Dallas, Texas called Highland Park.
We are so excited to show you this stunning home, and be sure to stay tuned till the end. You don't want to miss the backyard oasis.
This home consists of over 7,600 square feet of indoor living space, and it's predominantly one-story living.
This home has 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 2 half baths, and sits on just over 3.5 acres.
Truly no detail has been left untouched with this home, from the luxury kitchen appliances to the designing lighting features and even the thoughtful millwork throughout the home.
They've even incorporated a scullery kitchen, perfect for your cooking and entertaining needs.
They say primary bedrooms and bathrooms sell homes, and this home is no exception.
Your primary bedroom within this home overlooks your park-like backyard, offering you peace and serenity.
In the primary bathroom, you'll find a zero-entry shower with dual shower heads, and it also features an Invigoration Series steam shower.
Additionally, we have dual vanities, marble heated floors, a soaking tub, and gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows offering stunning exterior views.
One of the hallmark features of this home is the thoughtfully and strategically placed nearly floor-to-ceiling windows.
Now, one of the reasons people choose to move to Tennessee is to experience the 4 seasons. And with the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living, it allows you to immerse in your surroundings.
This is what you've been waiting for. This is the piece de resistance of this home. You have nearly 3,000 square feet of outdoor living space.
Over here, we have our infinity edge pool with inset spa, covered lanai with motorized screens, and the builder is offering a credit in the event that you'd like to put in an outdoor kitchen. Behind us, we have our private backyard, and the best thing yet is sunset is right behind us.
This home is listed by Fiona King with Frederick & Clark Realty, and it's listed at just below $9 million.
Now, if you have any questions about this home or are looking to relocate to the Nashville area, all of our contact information is below.
Thanks for taking a tour of this home with us.
We'll see you in the next video.